This video is a short demo video where I want to explain in short the possibilities and functions of Cloudrooms. And let's start. First of all, we see here the dashboard for the next couple of days. You see what meals need to be prepared per day. We have only turned on the breakfast, but if you're also serving lunch and dinner, then there will be more columns added. Checkouts, the guest staying overnight, check-ins, and 4 room category that have been set up for this demo account. Here you can add some daily information that is just for internal use for your colleagues, or people are in the house which are going to stay, and the check-ins are here on the right side. The most important page here. First of all, Cloudrooms is a system that you can use in different languages. We have, for example, this one is now in the English language, but we can also turn it to the French language. You see it is all already changed. And let me explain. The first is the booking page. Let me turn back to the English, because for me it's a little bit easier to understand. It's a system that you can adjust very many modifications how you as a hotelier like it to be. Here we've got the room category that can be turned on or turned off, like seasonal prices. You can set it just per day, internal notes, and here you have the column of the room categories. Room number 1, room number 6 are a single room in this case, double room, 2, 11, 14. You can set different colors, and here is the calendar page. Between the blue lines is always today's date. We can also set it a little bit wider, and these are the bookings. All the colors are meaning a different, have a different meaning. Blue is checked in. Green in this case is checked out. Green hasn't checked in is a new booking. You can also see the booking came in per email, here per telephone, and here it's a booking that came in through the online portals. We have a channel manager connected, which imports all the bookings of all the different portals. And yeah, that's more or less how it works. There's also what I can show you a different view. We have 2 different designs. This is another design where the menu is on the top, and you have more space to see the rooms. Let me go back to the room plan, which I will be working further on. One click, you can open a booking, so it's also with a touch screen or with a tablet or with a telephone, easy to handle. One click, it's just a demo booking. Here we can change the status. Here's the column for the guest details. If it's on a company, we can set up the company here. Next column is the booking details, arrival, departure times, room category, room number, how many people are staying overnight, maybe have a city tax, which can be set up. Here's a little field you can add for that will be shown in the calendar, some special, or maybe a different icon. Icons can be changed as well. Here we have the next column, the prices. Prices are, we have set up a couple of rate plans, but if you say, this Sir Aristoteles, we want to have a fixed price for him, for this customer, he will be coming back and he will be charged the same price with a reduction. You can put it in there, you can save it with an enter, and the next time this guest arrives, just gets the same price as he was put in here. That will be the customer. That will be for the customer, or this will be for the company name. Company, client, company. Here we see the price, tourist tax is set, there's a demo account, set to 0. And here on the right hand side, we have the invoice system. Here you can check, for example, if it's set to the customer or to the company. Well, we haven't filled out anything for the company, so there is no details here. You can also add different services or products that the guest has taken. Maybe maybe you're offering different kind of. You can add it here. This you can get into the settings. You can add different products for different taxes. One click on it and it will be added to the invoice. And the invoice, I just can show you how it look like. You can download it as a PDF, and then the invoice is being created. Well, we haven't really created the invoice. It hasn't got an invoice number yet, but how it look like. So you can set the different logos. You can put, add information here. You can add or change the information over here, and the footer, everything can be set to your liking. Yeah, let me get back. Here it's creating, then it creates a number, and it's a fixed invoice. Another function here, which I want to show you in this short explanation video, is the email function. We can set emails from the system on to the client. We can also, with the premium account, we can schedule emails that are being sent out automatically. We can create and change different templates. Here this is still in a German one, but we can create English. We can also create different languages. When we set it over here, the nationality of the guests, then automatically the email will be sent, which is configured with in a different language, in this particular language. And so if I will do that now for the German one, just for the example. Exactly here you see that's already personalized, and it's very easy so to send emails, to send invoices and the like. Well, this is one of the most important functions, the calendar and the booking details. We have a page with check-in, check-out, just shows who is checking in and who is leaving, checking out. You see here for these guests, the invoice hasn't been created yet, and is missing, and it's not, of course, and it's not also mode of payment is unknown. It's not been paid. To-do list is for new bookings that come in. We can set it up like it that a new booking is come in to the to-do list, so you can check it out. Do we have all the information? Are there inquiries or questions asked which need to be answered? Here's invoice, the guests details. It's a database of all the guests. And here needs a little bit of explanation. Here is the menu rates, and here we can set up and manage all the rates for the different room categories. For example, here is a single room. Here in this case, a single room can have a double occupancy. We have set the rate for one person €60, two persons €90, and we set up a separate rate for the booking.com connection, and we add 12% and round up, so then it's 60 plus 12%, rounded gets to €68. we can connect it to the channel manager, or if you're already working with a channel manager and you want to stay with it, it's really possible too. We work together and we get connections with a lot of channel managers. So from this page on, we manage availability, prices, minimum stay, maximum stay, stop sell, closed for arrival, closed for departure. In this case, we configure it only for you to show on this page the price, the availability, and the minimum stay. Also, the availability, we can put it like we can set it up like this, that you can manually set how many rooms you want to set available, and we can so you can manage everything from here. This is the base to manage your online portals, your web booking, and your manual prices as well. It can be set up with our own channel manager, or it can be set up with an external channel manager. We have also our own web booking page, which is included in the price. You can also work with an external direct web booking company. We can connect it. There's a little bit of information about planning, which can room cleaning, planning of duty roster for your colleagues, finances, daily statements. We have a cash book, so it has its own bookkeeping as well, this program. Statistics, where you can download all kind of statistics for the hotel. And in the end, of course, is the settings page, where we can configure quite a lot of information and quite a lot of settings, which is for every hotel different requirements. And in communication with you, we will find out exactly what you need, and we can set it up so that you will be can work with this program well, and it's completely like the way you want to have it configured. Thank you very much for your information. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can contact us on office@cloudrooms.nl. Thank you.